This is a presentation of a visualization dashboard titled Substance Abuse Among the Youth. Drug abuse is a major public health problem that impacts society on multiple levels. This interactive visualization depicts the substance abuse problem in the United States among the youth to create more awareness about the issue. It shows statistics for the past 11 years for various legal and illegal drugs, statistics based on age and state-wise, estimates first drug use, and the average age for the drug, common sources and health effects of the drugs. The data for sourced from National Survey on Drug Use and Health and Monitoring the Future surveys. Let us explore the visualization. This is how the visualization dashboard looks like. The first topic that we see is illegal and prescription drug user trends for age 12 and older. The line chart shows trends for illicit and prescription drug abuse through the years 2012 to 2013. By clicking on the names of the drugs, we can filter out the lines to focus on trends that we want to see for particular drugs. By clicking on them again, the lines can be brought to the foreground. To see the actual values, we can click on the points and we can open multiple values to compare the actual values in millions. To change categories between illegal drugs and prescription drugs, we need to click the button. Similarly, we can filter out the lines and open multiple points to view the values. This bar graph shows estimates for 2013 of first-time use of a specific drug. In 2013, an estimated 2.8 million people aged 12 or older used an illicit drug for the first time. This averages to about 7,800 new users per day. The average age at first use for each drug is represented by the color of the bar. By hovering on the values on the bars, we can see the actual values and the mean age associated with that drug for the first time usage. One of the reasons for high rates of substance abuse among the youth is due to the ease of availability of drugs. This pie chart shows the common primary secondary sources of obtaining illicit and prescription drugs. The secondary source shows where the friend or relative of the primary user obtained the drugs from. To switch between the primary and secondary source, we can click on the buttons. Here we see the drug abuse trends by age. We see a breakdown of two categories, age 12 to 17 and age 18 to 25. We can filter out lines by clicking on the drug names and see actual values. This diagram shows the state-wise statistics for drug abuse among age groups 12 to 17 and 18 to 25. The view is corresponding to the line chart shown above. By changing the age group, the visualization for them changes. To compare state-wise values, we can open multiple tooltips. More deaths and illnesses and disabilities stem from substance abuse than from any other preventable health condition. 1 in 4 deaths is attributable to illicit drug use. This diagram shows the adverse health effects that drugs have on human body. The drug names are shown in red and the body systems are shown in blue. By hovering on a cord, we can see the effect that that particular drug has on the body. Here we see a detailed view of how the drug affects the body by the images. To go back to the top, we can click on the back button. To simply go to one part of the visualization, we can click on the toolbar above. This page gives a little bit of an explanation about the project. That's the end of the presentation. Thank you for watching.